In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Invite Friends feature not working in Monopoly Go. If you've been having trouble inviting your friends to join in on the fun, don't worry. We're going to walk through some straightforward steps to get this sorted so you can get back to your game as quickly as possible. One of the simplest and often most effective solutions is to try closing the Monopoly Go app completely and then reopening it. Sometimes the app may have trouble connecting or loading correctly, and a quick restart can resolve these common connectivity issues. So go ahead and close the app completely, make sure it's not running in the background, and then open it again to see if this fixes the problem. If restarting the app doesn't do the trick, the next step is to check if you're running the latest version of Monopoly Go. Head over to your device's App Store or Google Play Store and look for any available updates for the app. App updates can include important fixes and improvements, so make sure you install the latest version. Keeping apps updated is crucial not just for functionality, but also for security, so this is always a good practice even beyond fixing this specific issue. Should the problem still persist, the next recommended step is to consider reinstalling the app. There might be corrupted files causing the issue, and reinstalling can often resolve that. To do this, simply uninstall the app from your device, then return to the App Store or Google Play Store and download it again. Remember that by uninstalling, you might lose any local data that isn't backed up, so it's always good to know if your progress is saved online before taking this step. Another step that can help resolve not just app-specific issues, but general device functionality is to restart your device. Restarting your smartphone or tablet can clear caches and reset some settings that may be hindering the app's performance. Finally, one of the most basic yet crucial things to ensure is that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure it's connected or switch to cellular data just to check if the issue lies with your internet connection. In many cases, a stable connection is key to ensuring that all app features, including inviting friends, work smoothly. And that's how to fix the Monopoly Go Invite Friends feature not working. Hopefully these steps will help you solve the issue and you can continue enjoying your games with friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and solutions.